Hello children, as you know that your exams are going to start. Now we will revise some topics in English grammar. Okay, the first of all and the first of all we will revise doing words. What are the doing words? Doing words are basically action words. Fine. The words which show that some work is has been done or is happening, whatever. Fine. Like sleep, eat, write, dance, play. These all are doing words. Fine. Acha. When we add ing in these words, they become sleeping, dancing, eating, working, writing, like this. Right? So we use some doing words with is, am and are. So we will revise the is, am and are also. Is always used with he, she, it, and this, that only. Fine. But am is always used with I. Fine. If you have to talk about yourself, then you have to say I am a boy or I am a girl. Fine. As it is, are is used with you, we, they, and the plural nouns. Right? Right? Like you are a good boy, or you are in class 1. Right? We are playing, and they are running. Right? They, we, or you is you can be a single person, or single thing, but we means more than one. They means more than one. Okay, so the are always used with they, you, and we. Fine. So after this, has and have. Has and have also have some rules that has always will use with it, he, she, or any single person or single thing. Right? But have will always use with I, you, we, and they, or more than one people, or more than one things or animals, whatever. Fine. So like I will give you some example. If we will talk that a cow has 4 legs, means we are talking about a cow, one cow. Fine. And monkeys have long tails. Monkeys means there are more than one monkeys. Fine. After this, we will do this. Okay. Related to these topics, I will send you some book exercises also, which we left deliberately. Now, prepositions. Prepositions are the words which shows the position of the object or any noun. Fine. किसी चीज़ की कोई जगह या पोजीशन बताने के वाले जो वर्ड्स होते हैं that are called preposition words. Fine. Like in, on, under, near, far, above, behind. These are some between. These are some preposition words. Fine. So after looking the picture, you can decide that the object is where is the object. Right? So there are some exercises in your book and you can do that. Fine. we also have learned about punctuation marks. What are the punctuation marks? Which we use in between or after completing the sentences, right? Like if I have written my school name is Rankers International School. So this is the complete sentence. So after completing this sentence, what I will put at the end, I will put a dot, that is called full stop. Fine, because this is the complete sentence. And if someone is asking me, how are you? So then it's a question. So I will put question mark at the end of the sentence. Then someone told me, I have brought apples, bananas, mangoes, grapes, and chocolates. So after writing apples, then I will put comma, then bananas, again I will put comma, then mangoes, again I will put comma, and then grapes. Okay, so we will use comma in this sentence because there is a pause between apple, banana, mango, and grapes. Fine. So we will use comma. So these are some punctuation marks. Okay. So this was the revision, and you just have to solve the book exercises which I will send you. Okay. And when you will solve these exercises, you will get the more practice of it. Fine. Okay. So thank you.